Cooking with Edye, starring Edye. Today we are making country cherry dump cake, D-U-M-P, and it is as simple as 3 ingredients. So the 3 ingredients are country cherry pie filling. Now you can choose any filling of your choice. I have made it with key lime filling, which is just as delicious. Then we need, number 2, a box of vanilla or white cake mix. Your preference, can't get any easier than that. The third and last ingredients is butter. 3. The recipe will be in the description below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our little channel. And if you're not new here, thanks for sticking with us. So if you like this recipe, please make sure to smash the like button because it's the best way to support our channel. Hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and I will see you on our next one.
Let's cook.
Let's cook!